Waking you up to the UAE's conversation. Talk Breakfast with Vivek Sunil and Sobia Khan on Talk 100.3.
और जैसे हम थोड़ी देर पहले कह रहे थे कि आनंद मजमूदार हमारे साथ होने वाले हैं, डायरेक्टर एंड फाउंडर ऑफ प्लूटो क्रेट फिनसर्व इंटरनेशनल. आनंद, गुड मॉर्निंग.
Good morning.
Very good morning, Anand. How are you doing today?
I'm good. How about you guys?
How good you are? 100.3%?
Yes, 100.3%. Yes.
Superb. So quickly moving on to the queries, the questions that we have. Crypto को लेके इतनी बातें होती है, इतने. As a financial advisor, what is your advice to people looking to invest in crypto?
I think crypto has taken quite a different turn after Elon Musk has, endorsed getting into Bitcoin and so on and so forth. So yes, I mean, when it comes to investments, we do advise our clients to diversify your portfolio, and looking at cryptocurrency could be one of the options. But provided you understand the risk behind it, provided you understand the difference between your need and greed, and that would play a very vital role when it comes to investing into cryptocurrencies.
आनंद, आपने क्रिप्टो करेंसी में इन्वेस्ट किया है? सबसे पहले तो ये बताइए.
Fortunately, unfortunately, I always believe in regulated things. So for me, crypto is like a gamble for me, as I said, but then I have clients who have invested into crypto. They have made money out of it, and so on and so forth. So,
यानी कहने का मतलब है कि आप लेते हैं रिस्क, लेकिन कैलकुलेटिव रिस्क.
Yes, absolutely. I mean, you need to understand your own risk profile. That how much. I mean, are you ready to make my $5,000 as zero? Can I take it? Can I take it? Or can I take 5,000 becoming 50,000 and come out of it?
Okay.
So there has been huge volatility when it comes to cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin when we speak of.
And that's what it tempts people as well to invest in crypto. कि sudden rise भी होता है, sudden fall भी होता है. So how to control that temptation?
That is what I said. The difference between the need and the greed. So you invest into the money, you invest into Bitcoin, and you keep. You have your goal, say 5 becomes 10 and I come out of it.
वैसे okay.
लेकिन वो कंट्रोल कहाँ से लाएंगे? कंट्रोल ही तो नहीं होता. यही तो प्रॉब्लम है.
नीड ग्रीड, वही बोल रहे हैं.
Need and greed, it's a very thin line. Yeah.
Correct.
Well said, Anand. ये बताइएगा कि with big businessmen like Elon Musk, जैसे अभी थोड़ी देर पहले आपने कहा, वो तो इसे प्रमोट कर ही रहे हैं. As an investor, which sector is doing great in UAE real estate and commodities, etc.?
See, as earlier I said, I always ask the clients or anybody to diversify your portfolio. So I always have a mixed bag of whether it be real estate, whether it be commodities, whether it be mutual funds, equities, and something on the guaranteed aspect as well. So all of those aspects you should look into. But when it comes to UAE right now, if you ask me, real estate is a good buy if you ask me, because a lot of market there is a lot of new developments coming in the market. At the same time, the pricing is really rapid. So when you look at investment, you look at pricing. That what pricing do I enter into? Is it making sense? Because is it going to make money for me?
And if it does, then you'd go into it, and of course with the proper guidance as well. So this pandemic has taught us, savings जो है वो बहुत important है survive करने के लिए. It can actually save your life अगर savings हो तो. So any investing options to start your second income?
For sure, absolutely. I mean, what you said is right, Vivek. That lot many people have during the pandemic understood the importance of why savings is or second source of income is very, very important. And that's where you start saving little by little, which doesn't pinch your pocket, but on the hindsight keeps building up a capital for you for a rainy day situation.
Correct.
So as a financial advisor, what we advise our clients is that at any given point in time, put 3 to 6 months of your income or salary into your bank account, which could come handy to you in a situation like this.
Okay.
So basically, from your disposable income, 34 is what we share across. So 33% goes into your bank account for a rainy day situation. 33% goes into medium-term kind of a savings, and 34% could go into a long-term, which could be, kids' education, which could be retirement pension planning, and so on and so forth.
Okay, so one more question, because people, you just cannot get it out of their mind, Anand, and that is, Bitcoin will drop below $25,000 US, or will it rise?
Your prediction, Anand.
I am not a guru, and neither I am a astrologer.
ऐसे
ये numbers की बात है, तो आप numerologist है हमारे लिए.
Table talk. आपका दिल क्या कहता है? दिल तो कुछ ना कुछ कहता है. दिल का क्या talk है, वो हमें बताइए.
Yes, it could take a dip, but then I see it going again up, and that. See, not only Bitcoin or crypto, any market for that matter has ever seen that. You take a dip and then it takes a new high. Unfortunately, in the cryptocurrency, it's not like that. It's too volatile. You have seen a double-digit upside and downside in a day, which is quite. Adrenaline rush is too much when you talk about this.
Anand, please allow me to ask you a very stupid question, and that is, ये currency है, ये क्या है? इसको हम किस category में डालें? What would you say?
It's an alternative to the currency. It's not a currency. It's basically digital. So you don't have any, it's not a hard cash. So basically, the whole idea is to, create an alternative system, and that's what the cryptocurrency, which basically, camouflages, or basically it really hides out the sources and so on and so forth. Because if you see these days, what is happening is a lot of your credit card details get stolen, and so your money gets taken out from your account. So a lot of phishing and all those things happen. So that's the reason this comes as a good invention, or good
security for your money. Okay.
So absolutely. So digital aspect of it, which can be very, very secured, but at the same time, it has its hindsight as well.
I think the best is to be, be aware of what you're doing. That is when people like Anand Majmudar come into action.
Correct. Thank you, Anand, for being with us. It was very insightful talking to you. Or we hope that we have these sessions more often.
Sure. Thank you, Sophia.
Thank you, Anand, and continue to have yourself a great day.